Hey, what's up guys? You already saw in intro. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install Galaxy Z Flip 7 live wallpaper on your any Galaxy device absolutely free. So, let's begin. Okay, guys, first you have to download this app. This app download link available on description. Okay, now open this app. Simply allow and you can see many wallpapers in this app. Simply tap on live and after tap on live you can see many live wallpaper categories in this app. Tap on categories and you can see Xiaomi, OnePlus, Samsung, Apple, more live wallpaper categories available on this app. Then simply tap on Samsung and tap on Galaxy Z Flip 7 and you can see live wallpaper. Simply tap and on apply and set home screen and lock screen. Now you can see Galaxy Z Flip 7 live wallpaper on your Galaxy device. You can see guys many colors available on this app. Black, orange, green, all colors available. I hope guys you enjoyed this video. If you have enjoyed this video, then like, share and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching guys. See you in next video. Bye bye.